woke up really early to try and play as much as we can. This is a once in a lifetime kind of thing for me. I've never seen it like this here. So being from Florida, we have a boogie board, and then we also have a skim board. So far the skim board's working out really, really well. It's nice and slick and sliding. We got really lucky. We have a ski trip coming up in about 2 weeks, and so perfect timing. All of our ski gear was getting shipped from Amazon and showed up. I think her jacket showed up yesterday morning, just in time. So, I think this is their first time seeing like falling snow, like active falling snow last night. So they were outside in the middle of the night last night playing around, throwing snowballs, making snowmen. Lots and lots of fun.